Hi, I'm going to show you how to find memoirs in our library OneSearch. So if you start here at suu.edu/library, you can use OneSearch to search for all books, media, articles, and more, and that includes memoirs. So starting here, we'll type memoir and click OneSearch. So this is going to search everything that has to do with memoirs or that is a memoir. So the next step is to say that we want books or ebooks. So I'm going to check this option here. And from there, you're going to have a list of all of the books or ebooks that have to do with memoirs or are a memoir. If you want to narrow it down even further, there are ways you can do that by publication date, say in the last 5 years or 10 years, or if you want specifically like maybe a subject like United States memoirs or other topics of memoirs. You can also narrow it down by like where it is in the library. So if you know you need it in a lower level, you can do a library location and check the juvenile collection, and this will be memoirs from a K through 12 or childhood to like 18 years old type reading level. And this way you can narrow it down by just what we have at the lower reading levels that might be a little bit easier to read. So yeah, from here you can find where the books are by looking at whether they're available, and this is the call number in the juvenile collection. It uses Dewey, so this is the area it is and the floor it's on. You can click on the title to get a little bit more information, but most of what you're going to need is on that first page. It has whether it's available or not, it has its call number, and what level it's on.